क्योंकि फिर रात भर नींद नहीं आएगी। So guys, we are at ITC Moria Pavilion. So it's a midnight buffet. First of all, I'm not promoting eating at midnight, but once in a while, let's experience it. So very nice tip when you're at a buffet is to always start with a salad or some low calorie dips or even fresh fruit. That will fill your stomach up and you eventually eat less because fruit and salad contains water as well as fiber. So it expands your stomach and eventually you stop eating more of the calorie dense items such as your breads, your fried items and your desserts. So let's try it. First we have the watermelon feta salad. It's very low calorie and the feta also adds some protein, some chicken ham and some pork ham. So as you can see, I've only taken a single piece of pork and more of the chicken because pork is mostly fat. And of course, being an Indian, raita as well as some mint chutney and some regular onions as well as some regular salad. So we'll finish this plate first and then we'll move to the calorie dense items. As you can see, हमारे सारे low calorie items खत्म हो गए. Now let's move towards the higher calorie and for the items that we are actually here for. After the salad plate, we have regular Hakka noodles and some hot garlic sauce vegetables. So basically, this is a carb-loaded meal. Only the vegetables provide here a little bit of fiber and some nutrition. But again, अगर ये boiled है तो ठीक है. अगर ये इसमें बहुत सारा ऑयल यूज करा है तो वेजिटेबल्स का न्यूट्रिशन भी लूज हो जाएगा. सो बेटर टू हैव मोर ऑफ द वेजिटेबल्स एंड लेस ऑफ द नूडल्स सो दैट यू कैन हैव अ गुड प्रॉपर मील. अगर तुम सिर्फ वेजिटेबल लोगे तो तुम डेली नहीं खा पाओगे. तो आप इसको इसके साथ थोड़ा सा लीजिए, थोड़ा सा वेजिटेबल एंड देन एक बार एंजॉय करिए. यार बफे पे ना कॉफी पीने से भी एपेटाइट बहुत सप्रेस होती है, लेकिन रात के 2 बज रहे हैं. आई वुडंट रिकमेंड क्योंकि फिर रात भर नींद नहीं आएगी. बट अगर दिन में बफे पे आ रहे हो देन कॉफी से बेटर कुछ नहीं है. अगर वेट लॉस करना चाहते हो बफे पे 1-2 कप कॉफी पियो एंड यू आर सॉर्टेड. बट अगेन उसमें चीनी वीनी मत भरना, शुगर फ्री वगैरह कुछ यूज करना अगर ब्लैक कॉफी पसंद नहीं है तो. एंड गो फॉर बेसिक. Biryani can be actually healthy if you eat less of the rice and more of the chicken. Here they have boneless chicken, so probably chicken breast or chicken thigh, which is automatically low in fat and higher in protein. Leg piece मत खाना है बिरयानी के साथ बस. और साथ में अगर plain curd है तो और प्रोटीन मिल जाएगा. Finally we have the main course. There is dal makhani, butter chicken, paneer and some nihari mutton and some aloo. So in itself, it's very high calorie. Along with that, we've also gone for breads, which is your cheese naan and your green chili paratha. So if you're on a diet, I'll tell you that you can go for just tandoori roti plain, so that you reduce the fat intake. And If you are trying to gain muscles, then better go for something like cheese naan, which is calorie dense, or white rice. Again, butter chicken and mutton nihari is high in protein, but this aloo is not recommended. And if you think paneer is a source of protein, you're highly mistaken. It's a source of fat. And again, dal is a source of carbs and a secondary source of protein. But first of all, if you're on a diet, you should not go ahead with all of this. You should rather have some salad and some grilled chicken or grilled paneer. But once in a while, you can have it, because weight loss principle works on calories in, calories out. As we have shown you the calories of every item, I don't know how accurate they are, the ones that the hotel has mentioned, but still it's a good way of approximating your calories. So this was a video on how you can go out, have a buffet and still be on track, and not, when you wake up next morning, you'll still not be in too much guilt because you actually knew how much you have eaten. And of course, there are desserts also here. So skip the desserts. If you are trying to lose weight, have some fruit. And let us know which place you would like us to cover next. See you in the next one.